Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will learn variable. So let's learn what is variable. A variable is any characteristics, number or quantity that can be measured or counted. A variable may also be called a data item. For example, k is your variable. We have created a variable and you can assign k 10. So this 10 value will go into k. That's how the variable is. Like it says, a variable can be any characteristics, number or quantity. So it can be a quantity, it can be a number, it can be any characteristics. For example, here, black color, brown color, anything. So let's discuss further. There are two types of data. Number one is qualitative data. Number two is quantitative data. This is your backbone of statistics. Qualitative data is then divided into two. Number one is nominal data and the second one is ordinal data. When we talk about nominal data, that means gender, women, men, for example, hair color, blonde, brown, ethnicity, for example, Asian, Chinese. Ordinal data means first class, second, third, letter A, B, C, economic statistics or states like, for example, low, medium, anything in the economic curve, you can put that into this ordinal data. And when we talk about quantitative data, we have discrete data and continuous data. So quantitative data is divided into discrete and continuous, whereas qualitative data is nominal data, ordinal data. Quantitative data is about numbers most of the time. Let's discuss this further. When we talk about discrete data, the number of students in a class, 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, that's discrete data. The number of workers in a company, 600. The number of home runs in a baseball game or in a football, 3046. That's all discrete data. And continuous data keeps changing. For example, the height of a children. This is very important for MCQs. So in your exam, you will get this kind of question that you will be given height of children, for example, a question, and it will be asked whether it's a qualitative data or a continuous data. So if you remember these, then you can decide whether it's quantitative or qualitative. The square footage of the bedroom, the speed of the car, that's all continuous data. Now let's discuss this more in detail with examples. So when we talk about qualitative data, so in this we have a variable, for example, variable type. So qualitative, quantitative, 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 quantitative. Now, player name, this is all qualitative. Position, where they're playing, like what's the status, that's all qualitative. Quantitative, like I said, discrete data or continuous data. So 12, 9, average points 22.1, that's also quantitative. Championships 3, 2, 0, that's all quantitative. So this is how you decide whether it's your qualitative or quantitative. If it's qualitative, you have gender, hair color, Asian, Chinese. In this ordinal data, many people get confused with this part, and that's where the confusion is. So I'll put that in different color to explain this. This is where everyone get confused, and they put this in MCQs as a quantitative data. So for example, if you remember this, first, second, third, that's ordinal data and that's a qualitative. Letter grades A, B, C, whatever your GPA and all that, that's all come in ordinal data. Economic status, like your class, you are belongs to low class, you belongs to medium class, or your pay grade is like low medium pay. That's all comes in ordinal data. Hope this is clear to you, and we'll come back again to discuss further.